Hi there, welcome to the Rug Spa Carpet Cleaning. Ever wondered if it's truly worth it to have your area rug professionally cleaned? Let's face it, in today's world, cleanliness has moved beyond just being next to godliness. It's become a vital aspect of our day-to-day living. The experts at the Rug Spa Carpet Cleaning in Canberra have a resounding answer. Absolutely. Our service goes beyond the ordinary, offering a comprehensive 8-step cleaning process. This isn't just some regular run-of-the-mill service. We dive deeper, tackling even Oriental and Persian rugs, Turkish rugs, and modern rugs with our outstanding expertise. We offer everything from pet sanitizing, deodorizing to moth control, and have a complimentary pickup and delivery service at customer convenient hours. So when it comes to rugs, we've got you completely covered. Our mission? To provide treatments that will help your area rug stand the test of time. So you're probably asking yourself, what's the damage? Is it really worth the extra expense to get a professional cleaning for something you could likely clean at home? The answer isn't just about how impeccable your rug looks. It's also about the unseen health benefits. A professionally cleaned rug is your secret weapon against allergens and pollutants, leading to a healthier home environment. Now that's something you can't really put a price tag on. To sum up, the question isn't really whether it's worth getting your area rug cleaned. The real question is, can you afford not to? In a world where cleanliness is increasingly synonymous with health, investing in professional rug cleaning and effective cleaning tools isn't just a matter of aesthetics. It's a step towards a cleaner, healthier living environment. So next time you look at your area rug, remember, a clean rug isn't just a pretty sight. It's a commitment to a cleaner, healthier home. Please visit the rugspacarpetcleaning.com.au and be sure to like our video and hit that bell or subscribe for more future content. Thank you for watching.